Hey guys, just laying here. Got up to go to the girls' room. Came back and put some sleeping music on to let me fall asleep. Back to sleep. So I just came in to let you guys hear this beautiful, wonderful, amazing, relaxing sound. So let's hear it for a little while. You could probably see a little bit on the back on the TV where you see a little bit of blue in there. Yeah, very wonderful, guys. Let's turn it around. Enjoy the sound, guys. So relaxing. Listen to this, you guys, by Anastasia GHIRADELLI'S World. Listen to this relaxing sound. It's a mixture of the waves and the water. And then I have the fan on. You say, Anastasia, you got the fan on. Yeah, I have it on down low. Sometimes it gets a little hot in the room. So I have to turn the fan on, let the air circulate a little bit. I just get up under the quilt. So I'm gonna give you guys the sound. Relax. Just know that I put these two sounds together, but the sound on the TV, someone else did. But I kind of mixed it together with the fan and the sound. So I don't claim that video that's on the TV. I claim the fan sound. Relax, guys. Can you hear it? Let's see. Here we go. Hope you guys are enjoying the relaxing sound. If your mind is in thoughts, you just listen to the sound, lay back, relax, and let your mind flow free. Let your mind flow free. Lay back, relax. Wonderful sound. So relaxing. Well, guys, I'm not going to hold you before long. I'm dozing off. I just want to come in and just share this with my yum yums. Good night, yum yums.